Hey everyone, today we are going on overnight camping with my two friends to one of our favorite places. As you can probably tell from the scenery, this trip took place before summer. We usually start this route by driving to the trailhead and then we hike about around 10 kilometers to our favorite spot.
Let's go for the wood.
We need really mind it with the cold. In fact, we usually there's a river enjoyed having just few people around. Our destination was a small cabin hidden among the rocks, complete with the wood stove and fireplace. It was really good. As soon as we arrived, we gathered some firewood, lit the fire and started eating because we had barely eaten anything all day. Most of us hadn't even had breakfast that morning, so that dinner was incredibly satisfying. Yeah, it was really nice. We discovered this beautiful little cabin back in January, and since then we've spent a night there 3 times. Honestly, having a cozy cabin with a stove and fireplace in the middle of the forest is simply amazing, like really good. Yeah. And the next morning we packed our gear and hiked back to the car. I really enjoy these short, relaxing camping trips with my friends. But this summer I have something much bigger planned. You will see, guys. Take me also more time to do it. Adventures in another country. So, yeah, maybe I will see you there. And thanks for watching and see you next time. Yeah, this was really short video, so see you all.